What's the meaning of cater? Cater. Cater.
Cater. Cater. The term cater refers to the act of providing a specific service or product to meet the needs or requirements of a particular person, group, or event. Catering usually involves the provision of food and drink, but can also encompass other services such as event planning and decoration. The aim of catering is to ensure that the needs and preferences of the customer are met, and that they are satisfied with the level of service provided. Ultimately, successful catering results in happy customers who are pleased with the quality and presentation of the food and service provided.